Good morning, guys. Today I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I've honestly been wanting to do this video forever. I feel like I used to do what I eat in a day videos all the time when I first went vegan, which was like 4 years ago. So yeah, so I'm really excited to bring you another what I eat in a day video. Lately, I feel like intuitive eating is the best way for me to live my life when it comes to food. I've always struggled with food, either like eating too much or eating too little. Intuitive eating has really helped me in staying balanced with what I eat. So yeah, I think that's so important, to be balanced and really just feel good and listen to your body. Some days I eat more, some days I eat less, and I really just try not to obsess about like how much I'm eating. Like if I eat too much, I try not to like be too hard on myself. And if I eat too little, I really just try to be more aware of why I'm eating too little and then figure out how I can incorporate more calories into my diet. So yeah, I feel the most healthy when I eat intuitively. So that's why I'm really, really excited to bring you guys this video. So guys, I just finished posting some Instagram stories for Liquid IV. I'm gonna try this new flavor. This is strawberry. I also have a 15% discount code if you guys would like to try. I will leave it down at the screen. I will also leave it in the description box as always. But yeah, thank you Liquid IV for sending me your amazing products. I really, really love Liquid IV. Took Bradley on an early morning walk this morning. That went really well. Oh my God, my eye is twitching again. Do you see that? It's just twitching and twitching and twitching. It's so annoying. Anyways, yeah, we went on a walk. That was really nice. Yeah. I didn't eat today yet. I just had my little vitamin. It's from Women's Best. I'll just show you. So guys, I'm just drinking some water. These are the Women's Best vitamins that I was telling you guys about. These are chewable hair vitamins. They're vegan. The flavor is berry. So yeah, they just have like a lot of vitamins and whatnot. I just really, really love the Women's Best brand. They have really good products as well. So yeah, I had 2 of those because that's the serving size. And yeah, I also really like Hum vitamins. So I'm gonna have the Hum Gummies with Benefits Glow Sweet Glow Skin Hydration for the ultimate glow. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E in it, and yeah, it comes with 60 tangerine vegan gummies. So that's really, really amazing. The packaging is really cute as well. I did my nails last night too, by the way, so they're looking cute. But yeah, I figured I'm gonna have a couple of these because you know what? I feel like my skin has been really bad lately. Like the last month, my skin has been just like really, really, really bad. Honestly, I don't really like these ones. These ones are kind of gross, but I'm gonna eat them anyway. They taste like creamsicle, with like chemicals in it. Oh, damn it. 5-second rule. I just don't want to eat it if it has like any cat hairs on it or like piece of kitty litter. We're good. These are nasty. Actually, like the other flavor is really good. Like the one for hair is really good. I think that one's like berry flavored. Those are bomb AF. I need to get some more of those. Oh, these are like nasty, dude. And like so stale. And usually for breakfast, I have like fruit. It's so loud outside, but I had to open my window because I was like getting sweaty. So for breakfast, I usually just eat some fruit by itself, and then if I'm feeling like more hungry after that, I make like an actual breakfast. That's what I've been doing lately because the breakfast I've been making is really yummy. So I don't know if we're gonna make that today, but I've literally been eating it all week, so we might make it today. We shall see. But I'm gonna go get my brekkie right now. So guys, I have my fruit right here. I'm just having a little bit less than a cup of raspberries, organic raspberries. So yeah, I feel like when I eat just plain fruit in the morning, it really helps with my digestive system. And that's honestly like one of the main reasons I went vegan, because of my digestion. I've always had like digestive issues, and yeah, even like after going vegan, I struggled a little bit with with digestion, and I don't know, so much that I had to go to my doctor. My doctor just recommended to like eat fruit with every meal, like fruit or veggies with every meal. I think that's what she said. But with food combining, that's not really like the best thing to do. So I just took it upon myself to like research more on food combining and stuff like that. And I've actually been learning so much. Like, you're not really supposed to drink water with meals or any type of like liquid, because that causes bloating. Like if you drink really cold water, like that's technically like that's not the best for your digestive system. Like I still drink cold water, and like I still drink liquids with meals from time to time, but just knowing these facts are really helpful for me when it comes to like bloating and like indigestion and stuff like that. But fruit is the easiest digested. Fruit is easier. What am I saying? Fruit is easier to digest in the morning on an empty stomach. So that's what I've been doing. I also have this. This is just the Simple Truth Organic Cold Pressed Juice Blend in Berry Blend. It has apple, strawberry, raspberry, orange, mango, acerola cherry, plant-based hydration, an excellent source of vitamin C, USDA organic, non-GMO, vegan. Shake well. 32 milligrams of calcium. It has 74 milligrams of vitamin C, 456 milligrams of potassium, It has 2 grams of protein. That's pretty good. I'm like getting itchy. I obviously forgot to try my liquid IV, but it's okay. I'll just try it later. Oh my God. This is so good. This literally tastes like razzmatazz from Jamba Juice. So good. I think I have to edit today. I'm editing a makeup tutorial. And lately I've been really good at uploading every single week, which makes me really, really happy. Yeah. I think like I honestly stopped posting about like vegan food so much just because I don't know, like I feel like 4 years ago when I went vegan, like I just got so many trolls and haters, and like I was still somewhat new to YouTube at the time and like Instagram, that like, I don't know, I was just like annoyed by it. So there was just like too much negativity. Honestly, just like vegan please, basically. Like if I didn't have products that were vegan, then like people would just like say stupid shit. I don't know. But now I'm just like more confident in like who I am as a person. I'm like confident in like my veganism, so just don't let it affect me. And you have to realize that there's literally no such thing as perfect, and that's okay, you know? Hey guys, so it's been a little bit. I've been editing, and yeah, I also did an ab workout. I did some meditation. Now I am just drinking this liquid IV. It's a strawberry flavor. It's honestly so good. Oh my gosh. Hi, Moni.